Today I'll show you how to remotely connect your Windows 11 laptop from your phone using Chrome Remote Desktop. So on the laptop you want to access remotely, open Google Chrome and go to remotedesktop.google.com/home. Click Access My Computer. Next, click the Download button next to Set up Remote Access. This will download the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, click on Accept and Install. Now run the installer from your Downloads folder. Choose a name for your computer if prompted and click Next. Now create a secure PIN code that you'll use to connect remotely. Then click Start. You're all set. Now on your phone, open Chrome and sign in using the same Gmail account you used on your laptop. Go to remotedesktop.google.com/access. Your computer should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it. Enter the PIN code and tap the arrow button. I'm now remotely connected to my laptop from my phone and I can control it using my phone. All done. Note, you can also download the Chrome Remote Desktop app from the Play Store or App Store instead of using the Chrome browser on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.